Next case. This is a case of cholelithiasis and diabetes mellitus. The patient is Lilia Pascual, 40-year-old female who is a bit obese. Alam niyo po sa mga babaeng mataba, ang kalimitan na nagiging sakit ay cholelithiasis or mga bato na nakikita sa ating apdo. Ang initial ultrasound po niya ay nagre-reveal ng gallstones. Take note, napakarami po, multiple gallstones amounting to about 2.1 centimeters. Ang kanya pong blood sugar then was 232 milligrams per dilution. Immediately, iplinase ko po si Lilia Pascual under low cholesterol, low sugar diet. Binigyan ko po siya ng aloe vera juice. Binigyan ko rin po siya ng fields of greens, olive oil, and Arctic Sea. After 1 week, hindi na po siya nagko-complain ng pain. And you know what? She joined me in the center. Siya po ay naging assistant supervisor less than 1 month. Nag-combo pack po siya. Now, this is a case of infertility. Roger Muhi, 36 years old, married for 2 years. Ang chief complaint po niya, hindi siya magkaanak sa loob ng 2 taon. Physical examination findings ng asawa niya, everything was normal. So the husband submitted himself to sperm analysis. Yung first sperm analysis niya revealed a sperm count of only 4 to 8 per high power field. Sa isang field pong ganon, 4 lang hanggang 8. Immediately, I placed the patient on lithium, Ginsea, and royal jelly. After a month, wag po kayong kukurap. Ang sperm count niya, repeat, is 31.8 million. At present, buntis na po ang misis niya.